In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively is key to keeping your business running smoothly, and QuickBooks Online is one of the most popular tools out there for small business accounting. Whether you're cleaning up your books, decluttering outdated accounts, or simply making changes to your setup, knowing how to remove accounts you no longer need is an important skill. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting, or more accurately making inactive, a chart of accounts entry in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred browser, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com and enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This will take you to the full list of accounts that you have set up in your QuickBooks Online system. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your bookkeeping, listing everything from bank accounts to income categories. Now, scroll through the list to locate the specific account you'd like to make inactive. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page if you have a lot of accounts and want to find it faster. Once you've found the account, look to the right-hand side of that row. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow. This is often referred to as a caret icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu of actions for that account. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Make Inactive. Select this option. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to ensure no accounts are accidentally deactivated. If prompted, simply confirm the action, and QuickBooks will take care of the rest. And that's it. The account is now inactive, which means it won't appear in your day-to-day reports or account lists anymore. But the historical data remains intact for reference or auditing purposes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.